Ajit Pawar's commitment to Muslim reservation puts BJP in irksome position. The Bharatiya Janata Party in Maharashtra finds itself navigating multiple challenges in the aftermath of recent electoral setbacks and amidst growing demands for Muslim reservation. With assembly elections looming, the party is under scrutiny for its handling of reservations, particularly in light of recent statements by Maratha reservation advocate Manoj Jarange Patil. Following its dismal show in the recent Lok Sabha elections across Maharashtra's 48 constituencies, BJP has been in an introspection mode. Party leaders from Delhi have appointed Dharmendra Pradhan and Ashwini Vaishnav as election in charge for Maharashtra, aiming to strategize and regain political ground. However, former Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis' initial reluctance to step down did not bolster the party's image. The BJP, in coalition with Eknath Shinde's government, supported by Ajit Pawar's NCP, faces a daunting task ahead, managing the delicate issue of reservations amidst existing controversies surrounding Maratha and OBC quotas. The demand for Muslim reservation recently gained traction when Jarange Patil, a prominent figure advocating for Maratha reservations, voiced support for including Muslims under the OBC quota. Patil argued that many Muslims documented under the Kunbi community should be entitled to OBC reservations to secure their rights, particularly in agriculture sector. Jarange Patil's stance marks a significant shift and has sparked concerns among OBC communities who fear dilution of their own reservations if Marathas and now Muslims are included in the OBC category. Jarange Patil's call for Muslim reservation has elicited mixed reactions. While some, like activist Lakshman Hake, advocating to maintain the current OBC quota structure, others within BJP have opposed Patil's proposal, citing constitutional grounds against religious-based reservations. Nitesh Rana from BJP emphasized that the constitution does not endorse reservations based on religion, a sentiment echoed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his recent electoral campaigns. However, the historical context in Maharashtra adds complexity, especially given past political decisions regarding Muslim reservations under the erstwhile NCP-Congress coalition. The BJP's stance on Muslim reservations could prove pivotal in the upcoming elections, particularly in alliance dynamics with NCP. Ajit Pawar's historical support for Muslim reservations contrasts with BJP's more recent policies under Fadnavis, who revoked earlier decisions on the matter. Jarange Patil's strategic move to champion Muslim reservations within the OBC framework poses a formidable challenge for BJP, forcing the party to navigate delicate political waters while balancing its electoral ambitions and ideological positions. As Maharashtra prepares for the upcoming assembly elections, the debate over Muslim reservation has intensified, presenting BJP with a critical test of its political strategy and alliance management. How the party addresses these complexities will shape its electoral fortunes and broader political narrative in the state.